Is there a keyboard shortcut to highlight the selected text in MS Word 2007? I've done a bit of searching and cannot find a keyboard shortcut for this command in Microsoft Word 2007. I'm not talking about simply making a text selection. That would be a no-brainer. What I would like to do is select some text and toggle the background color so it appears as if it were marked with a yellow highlighter. Is there any way to do this with a keyboard shortcut?
You can set them in Word options, customize keyboard shortcuts. Edit, actually, it's already Ctrl plus Alt plus H.
An alternative is to use Alt plus H plus I.
You can set them in Word options, customize keyboard shortcuts. Go to Tools menu and select Highlight option. Assign keyboard shortcut to it like Ctrl plus H.
You can easily create your own macros for that, using the Word Macro Recorder. Highlight a word or phrase. Start the macro recorder, Tools, Macro, Record New Macro. Assign the macro a name, define if it should be stored in normal ... or the current file, assign a keyboard shortcut. After all this, you'll close the dialogues and end up with a recording icon. Format your selected text. Stop the macro recorder.